Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF security settings, and in today's video I will show you on how to lock your PDF with password using this PDF editor app on your Android phone. Let me show you how. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here, and then for me to lock the PDF with password, we want to make sure we scroll down right here, and then we have to make sure we go ahead and click on protect PDF. So go ahead and click on that. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on open. This will allow me to upload my PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this particular PDF right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I turn on this. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and set the password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the password to lock this PDF. Having set a password to lock the PDF, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on done right here. Then I have to make sure I choose my internal storage folder destination. So I'm going to save the folder right here. I'll go ahead and click on OK. Just like so, you can see enter password to open the PDF. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter the password just to unlock. Boom, we have access back to the PDF right here. Let's go back to the home page, just like so. You can see it right here. This is the PDF right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and locate the PDF in our phone folder. So for that, I'm going to exit from here and I'll go to my file manager right here. Click on my file manager. Then go to browser. Go to documents. Then here is the PDF right here. So I'll go ahead now and open the PDF. I'm going to go ahead and open it with this and click on it. So you can see it requires password. So if I click on it again, it requires password. No matter what the format you use to open the PDF, each time you are clicking on it, it always requires password. So until you enter the password and unlock, that's only when you can have access back to the PDF in your phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about PDF security settings like this, consider to subscribe. And lastly, let me quickly show you where you can download this particular powerful PDF editor. Go ahead and open up your Play Store right here. Open up your Play Store. Having opened up your Play Store, go ahead and click on search. Then come to search app and game and type in SysTweak PDF editor. And then here you go. Just make sure you download and install this app. After a successful download and install, go ahead and hit on open. Just like so, it will take you to this interface right here. There are a lot of things you can do with your PDF using this particular app. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about how to edit your PDF on Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.